This is about installing XKGlow light kit. The kit that I got had 8 strips and 10 pods. They have no real instructions other than you have to kind of figure out. There's videos out there that got me a bit frustrated. That's a pod. The strips are already on the bike. I've already installed it, but I'm going to show them. Okay, underneath all that mess is what's called a Neutrino Blackbox. It's under there someplace. Neutrino Blackbox. It's a, there you go. It's trying to take pictures. It's where is it? Okay, underneath all this wiring, I've got what's called a Neutrino Blackbox. It's a fuse block to power all my extra accessories. I have my battery tender connected to the battery. I have my Gerbing electric heated gear attached to the battery, and I've got the Neutrino attached to the battery. The rest of my accessories get attached to the Neutrino, and the way I've positioned it, I've added extra wires to each screw-in device, and then I've attached these to them so that I can then and I've labeled them so that I know what channel they are and what's what. There are 3 ground wires that I can also attach the ground part of it to. So this wiring is for the XKGlow. There is an XKGlow under there. It's under there someplace, that thing right there. It's an XKGlow. I've not quite got it fully attached. That's the switch for it. These are some of the connections that this plugs together. They come with dielectric grease in the plugs. And if I can get this barely, just connected the power of the XKGlow to the battery just temporarily, just to test my lights out. And these are my lights. Those are, you can't see them. The whole idea is not to be able to see them. Let's see. As you can see, I can have them in different colors. Since I'm using my phone to record, it's difficult to switch back and forth, but that's what they look like from a distance. And that's what they look like underneath. I've got a light there, a pod there, and I've got strips. They come in strips, and I've got one in amongst there. It's a pod, and then I've got a strip up underneath the saddlebag. The strip is that. And they come with these plugs, so if I wanted to, I could plug that end into that end. And each pod or strip comes with the end that you plug into. It's got a grease in there, dielectric grease, and it's just, when you plug the two in together, it oozes out. But that's what the light's gonna look like. Now with I haven't got it on because I haven't got the key on, but the bump skid will glow as well. But I can have these in also different colors. I don't know if I can do this. I can switch the colors to different modes. Either have them all solid or have two different channels, one green, one red, one yellow, one purple. And there's patterns to choose from so that they will flash at a different pattern, slow, flat, fast. When I'm done, I'm gonna be in some parades. I've scheduled 2 Christmas parades so far. It looks better when I turn the garage light off. But I'm working on them little by little. We'll see how it goes. So now that I'm stopped, the parking brake is on. I'm gonna show what the lights can do. Let's see. The Neutrino, I think that light is actually, I need to tighten it down. Good. This one could be the one that's, oh yeah, I don't have to, but with my spotlights, I can actually dim them and turn them off. New colored lights, I can dim them, but I don't want to dim them. Well, wait a minute. I just figured these out, so yeah. So now I want the XKGlow, and now you can see XKGlow. I can make it bright. I can make it do different patterns. It can strobe. From one color to another. Gotta see it. My bump skid. I can change the color of the bump skid. I can have it set to any color I want, or to a specific color. So I can set it. There was one that I change it, I think maybe I got it upside down. You can strobe it. And now I need to put it back on amber so that I can be legal with it. I can turn the spotlights so that when I'm in a parade, they don't need to be on. But I like the Halloween look. I'm ready for a parade. I've got some extra little lights that you put in balloons. And I'm probably going to put some of those around. Let's see. This is the Christmas color. The blue doesn't work. The blue, I'm considering that I can have red and I can make them solid, I can make them strobe. There you go, that's working. To get them back to light.